Hi guys, and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. So today we are going to be doing a lip tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes, my foundation, I guess it's like contour and highlight, because I don't really use foundation. I just use my contour as foundation and highlight as foundation. So like that's why you'll see me like highlight my chin strap and then contour. I just feel like it gives me better definition that way. And if you're in low light situations, you're at the club, it doesn't have to be the most realistic. It just has to look good and look dynamic. So that's kind of why I do my makeup the way I do it. It's also like kind of more edgy, alt, more like kawaii clown kind of vibes, which is what I like. So if you like that too, stay tuned and I'll go ahead and show you my process and then we'll do the lip. Okay, so y'all already know how we do here. Took this Morphe concealer in white. I know Morphe's in some deep doo-doo right now, but this is what was available to me at Ulta, so gotta have a white concealer. So we just took this on the kind of inner area here, and then did the cover effects on the outer area, and then blended that. Kinda, it just has to look semi-blended for just what we're doing right now. So now we're gonna get into that eyeshadow. Okay, so for my eyes today, I went in with this Miss Kimberly Chi palette. I did this green color all through here, and then this lighter green kind of sparkle on the inner, and then finished it off with this color on the inner. So this is like these two mixed together on the inner corner. I also used a little bit of the blue out of the Norvina palette here. This is one of the minis. So this color right here on the outer, just kind of blending in that darker blue. The darker blue is from the Miss Alyssa Edwards palette. This one right here. This is not the best blue. This purple is also not awesome, but I mean, it gets the job done, so it is what it is. The eyeliner is Miss Kimberly Chi's eyeliner here. I think that's about it. Oh, I also used some of these just to kind of blend in like this green kind of right here. And this is the Moira palette, the Princess palette. This is one of my favorite palettes, the Kimchi. This is the Virgin Mojito palette. I love all of the greens in here. It's great. And the pans are small, but it does work really well. She puts in some major work, as you can see. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. Blush, I used this Bullet lipstick in Stargazer, put it right under here, blend that puppy out. This is a contour that I made. It's a bunch of different contours and some random eyeshadow mixed together. But I am very fair, so to not look orange, this is what I made. It's still a little bit orange, but it works. She work. I also used this like all through here, this highlighter here. It's like a Cover FX concealer. And then, I just kind of do my face shape, and there's a bunch of different face charts that you can find to find your face shape. They have them on YouTube. They're all over YouTube. They have them on like your Google search. Just type it in. You'll be able to find your face shape and highlight accordingly. I just kind of go boop, boop, and then boop. So I do the whole thing and then just use concealer through here, kind of in here. I also conceal my lips, and I am going to get into the lip tutorial in just a second, so you'll see that. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I went ahead and took my Anastasia lip liner. You're just overlining your lip right through there. And then I took the Anastasia Bullet lipstick. This is Rage. So these two guys right here. And then I took my Morphe white concealer, popped it on in the middle. So now we're just going to blend that out. and just blend, blend, blend. Okay, and then take your finger, pat that concealer. Okay, and you can kind of see, it's a little frumpy on the edges. That's okay. You can go ahead and take your little tiny detail brush and just fix it. Okay, just like that. And then you can also take this and you see this like harsh kind of line. I can take my little detail brush and just kind of blend that. And again, makeup is just for fun. It doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, in here we're under super bright lights, right? Like it's gonna look intense, but if you're out on the dance floor, she cute. And then like the underneath, I'll just kind of blend that for you too. And then again, you can just kind of pat it. So it all kinds of blends together. She looks cute. That's a good lip for me. Love. And like you get this little white line. You can just go like that. So she's not visible. And then like even this part up in here. Just blend her out. So, when you're sipping your straw, you don't get that super harsh line. I am loving how this turned out. Sometimes, it's a crapshoot. She's a crapshoot with lips. Sometimes it turns out, sometimes it doesn't. And you can fix it. I'm sorry, I'm like going in between the two monitors here because I've got my makeup mirror set up and then my camera is actually attached to that. But I love her. And then I guess we'll just go ahead and I'll show you how I powder. So let me grab that. Okay, so I've got my Dermablend powder. It has a cat hair in it or some kind of hair. Okay, so we're just gonna powder the whole face. Just like that. And then the lip, just kind of press your lips together. And then I have, a decent amount of powder on here. And then just press that in. Kind of work it back and forth. More powder, Charles. Do you guys ever watch The Marvelous Misadventures of Flapjack? There's this episode where there's this super rich lady and she doesn't bathe, she just powders. And she's always like, powder, powder, Charles. They're like in the garbage. She's like, powder, more powder. Sometimes that's how I feel. More powder, Charles. Okay. So now we are just going to, yeah, it's like all over my black shirt. That's fine. It's all good. And you can see it, like, now that it's powdered, that shit's on there. Oh, sorry, poop. That poop is on there. And I'm debating on whether or not to do my brows today. I probably could. I might. Someday I'll do a glitter highlight, but you know, for like regular highlight, it's just, you know, you take your finger, you just put it on there. It's no big deal. But she is not going anywhere. Once you powder and just let it sit for like, I don't know, what did I do? Like 20 seconds and then brush it down, it's good to go. It's good to go. I love these brushes. These are from Tarte. And then my little tiny guy, this is an Ulta Beauty lip liner pencil. I love it so much. It was kind of expensive, but it's worth it for me. So I'll go ahead and do my brows for you guys, I guess, so you can see like the whole shebang. Okay, so here is the brow. She's looking cute. It's just, I just did a little quick throw that on. And I used this blue in the Alyssa Edwards palette. This is that purple that I was telling you about. I don't know, both of these are not super great, but it's fine for just like a quick line. And then I used this. It's the Urban Decay. It's like a multi-purpose stick. It's like eyeshadow. I've used this on my lip, eyebrows. It's really good at like covering your eyebrow hair. This is what it looks like. It's got some purple on it because I've been, you know, putting it on my lip. See if it'll focus. I have friggin' ringworm from my work, guys. I have a band-aid on it right now. I touched a kitten and it gave me ringworm. You know, that's part of the hazards of working in the vet clinic, so it is what it is. But this would be like a cute going out look. I'd pop on like my blue wig with this, and I'll do some wig tutorials as, you know, I get momentum on here. It's just my second video, so I'm doing my best with what I got. I'll kind of learn as I go. And I know my eyeliner is a little bit wonky through here. I'm trying my best. But my wings turned out good. I'm happy with those. And this is, I think they call it like a bat wing eyeliner. You just kind of take it out a little bit more, kind of up and out. So it creates this like little triangle effect. And kind of, I put my tape here and here, and then I just take it, my liner, like just straight across. And so like when I'm looking straight on, it looks fine. If I'm going like this, you can see that little triangle. It works great for my eye shape. I'm sure other people with hooded eyes, like that's what you do too. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Otherwise, like and subscribe because I'm going to be churning out content. The quicker the better. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try the quickest way I can here. I'm just looking at my, you can see I have this little tiny blep right here. That's from my eyeliner hitting the top of my eye. And again, I'm trying my best, but you know, sometimes that happens, and I'm sure it happens to you too. Practice makes perfect, right? So we'll keep practicing. Thank you. Bye.